Hello people, my name is Arash Haddad. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we go, another video about cryptocurrency. Guys, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. Today we want to talk about cryptocurrency. Everyone wants to earn crypto, but here the big question, should you mine or trade it? In this video, I will breaking both options, their pros and cons, and which one fits you best. Let's talk basics. What is mining crypto against what is trading crypto? So first of all, let's search what is Bitcoin or crypto miner. As you can see, there are some devices out there. I searched on Amazon. You can buy one with different specs and different prices. You can find one with low as, for example, $200 to high expensive ones around $10,000 or even more. Crypto mining means using this computer hardware to secure the blockchain network and earn block rewards. So basically, someone who has these miners, when they secure the network, they earn some block rewards. So this way they make money. But what is crypto trading? Crypto trading is buying and selling cryptocurrency on exchanges, trying to profit from prices changes. It's like surfing the waves on a stormy ocean. There are some pros and cons for each of them that it's really important we know it before testing each one. For example, some of pros of mining is you have a passive income if you set it up very well, or you can support the blockchain network. But what are some cons of mining crypto? These hardware are really expensive. This hardware has noise, heat, and needs some maintenance costs during the years. And also electricity cost, and the coin you want to mine, that coin profit margin is really important. You should consider all of these. Depends on your country. If your country electricity cost is very huge, it may not be a good option for you. But what are the pros of trading crypto? You don't need expensive hardware. There are lots of exchanges out there, and you can enter and exit trade quickly, as fast as possible. But it comes with some cons. For example, trading is very, very risky. You can lose all your money. You should require knowledge and discipline, and you should control your emotional stresses. Here I draw the function of trading bots. As you can see, for example, we have a trading bot written in C++ or R or Python or each language it's possible, and we use a 15-minute time frame. And so, for example, we define our buy and sell entry with this. For example, if RSI below 30 and our close price of that candle in 15-minute time frame closed upper than 15-day simple moving average, enter long position, and if RSI goes above 80 and our close price of 15-minute candle closed below 50-day SMA, exit that trade. And we can use machine learning models. We can optimize our parameters using machine learning models. For example, if we choose a 35 RSI for buy signals, we may get a better result. Okay, you can optimize your parameters with machine learning models. And here I draw a chart of, for example, imagine this is Bitcoin chart and our RSI indicator and our simple moving average. Here as our strategy, for example, when our RSI go below 30 and our candle price closed upper than SMA, we go long, and when RSI go up to 80 and our close price closed below the SMA, we close the trade, we take our profit, or if we lose on that trade, we should close that trade. We should be consistent and disciplined with our strategy. Okay, and that's it, comparison between trading bot and mining crypto. Guys, you can read full blog on my site picoin24.com. here as you can see, mine crypto versus trading crypto. You can here read everything. I explain everything here fully with Python code. Also I write this Python code here because I don't want this video be too long. I write it before I explain it to you. For example, here we import our necessary libraries, for example NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. We use Matplotlib for data visualization, Pandas for reading our data frame, and NumPy for some mathematical formulas in our code. We define some parameters. For example, imagine 5 years of investing. Miner, when you buy, for example, miner with I don't know, maybe $5,000 price, your miner may make around $180 each month. Okay, and we have a bot with a start capital of $2,000, and our bot each month returns 5% profit. Okay, it's really clear. We have a miner, we pay $5,000 and make us $180 each month, and we have a trading bot with a start capital of $2,000 and make 5% profit each month for 5 years. And as you can see, for example, here we define our months, for example, because we use +1 because our last month won't count. Okay, because we start from 0, we use +1 because that one we will not include in our time range. Here we miner, cumulative earning, trading bot. We build our data frame, for example, our months, how much profit each month our miner get us. For example, first month 180, second month we get to 360. It's go up, but it's linear. But our bot, we should see how it works. Then we print our first 10 rows of our data frame to see how it works, and then here we plot our data frame to saw it visually. This way we can understand very better. Let me run it. As you can see here, our first 10 rows, for example, our miner first month nothing, then 180, then 360, each month adds 180. Okay, it's constant. But our trading bot first month when make 5%, it get to 2,100. Then next month get 5%, we get 5% our start capital and 5% on our profit. Okay, so this cumulative, this compound make a good result in a long run. And as you can see, I can make it bigger. As you can see, our miner goes static during these 60 months, but our trading bot after maybe 30 months begin to make more profit compared to our mining. But as I said, it's really important. Trading bot need very good knowledge both in technical and programming and sentimental analysis. But with miner, it's constant. You buy the device and you just run it and maintain it. But it depends on your personal choices. Thank you guys. Subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my site, read everything. Mostly they are free. Tell me your idea. Bye.